we have the second problem. In the second problem, the thing is, over the 18 years, we need to have a savings of 50,000 US dollar. For that, how much amount we need to invest monthly? So we just need to find how much monthly investment that we need to make so that we get 50,000 over 18 years. Okay. So for that, let's use the same PMT function. And here the rate of interest is 6%, and it should be in monthly. So we are dividing with the 12. Now, what is the present value? Present value is 0. And before giving the present value, we need to give the number of months. Number of months means 18 years means 18 into 12 months. Then we need to provide the present value. Present value is currently there is no money in account. We are assuming the account has 0. Now what will be the future value? Future we need to have 50,000 over the period of 18 years. So we provided all this. Now what we need to provide for the time. So we are assuming its payments are due at the end of period. So we are providing 0. If you are not providing 0 also, then it will automatically fetch at the end of period only. So just click enter. Yes, yes, this is the one. And don't confuse with this rupee sign. So basically, it's a dollar only. We need to invest $129.08 monthly to have 50,000 over 18 years. Okay, hope you got it. If you like it, subscribe.